Take control of your Roku media player with the Roku Voice Remote. The easy-to-use Roku Voice Remote with TV controls is ideal to replace or upgrade the remote for your Roku TV, Roku player, or Roku Streambars. Great for Roku TVs, compatible with all Roku TV brands such as TCL, Hisense, Sharp, Element and Hitachi. Compatible with all Roku TV, Roku Express, Roku Express Plus, Roku Express 4K, Roku Express 4K Plus, Roku Streaming Stick, Roku Streaming Stick Plus, Roku Premier, Roku Ultra, Roku Ultra LT, Roku Say, Roku Smart Soundbar, Roku Streambar, Roku Streambar Pro. No more juggling remotes. This enhanced voice remote has conveniently positioned side buttons that enable you to control your TV's power, adjust TV volume, and mute audio. Shortcut buttons. 4 preset channel shortcut buttons let you quickly jump to popular streaming channels with a single press of your thumb. For Roku TV users, press the microphone button to use your voice to launch channels, search for entertainment, turn captions on, switch inputs, and more. For Roku Player and Roku Streambars users, press the microphone button to search with your voice and control your TV with power, volume, and mute buttons. Power it up in seconds. Don't worry, we've included 2 Duracell AAA batteries, so you can power up your remote in seconds. Top reviews from the United States. Great upgrade from standard Roku remote. Bought this to replace my TCL Roku TV remote. Love that this voice remote is also enhanced so it doesn't need a clear path between the remote and the TV. The mute button is also a plus. Installation was a breeze. The remote immediately paired with the TV after inserting the batteries. Mine came with the following streaming channel buttons: Netflix, Hulu, Sling and ESPN+. Will buy another one to replace my old Roku remote that doesn't have a mute button. As an FYI, this remote does not have a earphone jack. No stars subtracted because I never used the jack anyway.